Everyone, we are miracle makers. Let our miracles write your destiny. So let's move on to the next slide and see how problems have led us to opportunities and what is our basic idea. So, from problems till opportunities, our idea is basically to create an organization or a company for young teens and youth to present themselves and be an asset for the country. One we faced and thought was large enough to be addressed is that today young youth tends to adopt unhealthy practices just to seek independence or to prove themselves in case of challenges and whatnot, and that leaves a bad impact on their personal as well as professional lives. So we got this opportunity to create an organization as a magic fund of miracles. The second problem was that not many jobs today hire teens, and sometimes they know the society evils, the social and political stereotypes better because they face it themselves. So they can be change makers through our company, and that's why we're giving them this chance to work on the ground. This is our unique value proposition and how we are better than any or every company that will try to compete us. We are not providing expensive trainings, instead we are providing them on donation basis. Next, we are providing you a platform to implement and hands-on activity experience. We will be working online safe and sound right from your homes. We won't need any transportation facilities like others do, and instead we'll be providing you perks and many more benefits and offers thanks to this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, profit oriented. Most companies are profit oriented, and once the work is done, who are you and who's me? But we will bond for a social impact for ages to come. You might be thinking that why am I showing you this really dull slide, but actually it's not. It shows the world population from 1950s to 2100s. So you might be seeing that this pyramid goes broader in the end, where there are people of ages 20, 30 and lesser. And this is expected to get even broader in the ages to come. So that's why you must have guessed what I am trying to show you. So basically, I have been trying to give you an idea of our target customers, or these little smart and cute entrepreneurs. So this is the summary of the previous slide. The world population is 7.9 billion, under 30 at 4.6 billion, in India it's 650 million, and in Delhi we have 11 million. So we are going to start from a small group, and if we are going to do something efficiently in a small group, it will be possible to do it efficiently in a larger group also. So first, starting from a small group, we'll expand it to a larger group. So related to our pricing, we are going to do this on donation basis, and once we expand, we're going to introduce our prices for the training courses and much more. Now, our go-to-the-market strategy. We plan to spread our motto first, that is why miracle makers, and the idea of for children by children. Partnerships. We are going to get in partnerships with companies and organizations with a corresponding agenda, and thus we are going to have win-win situations both sides. We are going to invite new talents and skills like programming, and speaking in itself is a skill which can be utilized in webinars and much more. So we are going to invite new talents through our free events and offers. Now moving on to the most interesting part, how COVID-19 has led us to this beautiful opportunity. Well, we are in our homes and we're going to do this online, so pandemic has given this opportunity, but this has made us realize that even though we were locked down, our creativity and passion wasn't. And so there we are with Miracle Makers. Now you might be seeing many things popping up and out on your screen. Well, these are some 21st century skills, some resilience for you, and empathy for you. Work with us during this free time of yours, and you're surely going to do something for your resume and for this whole world. About the Miracular, that's me, Gauri Varera, who's bringing this idea to you all. Thank you so much. My heartfelt thanks to my guiding mentor, Miss Radhika ma'am, and of course my school for giving me this opportunity to present my idea. And once again, thank you so much, Radhika ma'am, for helping me to relate this idea with social and political life. Thank you so much. So this is the general info, and our idea comes under the sub-theme that is business during pandemic and post-pandemic situations.